Today we're going to make an apple paper plate craft. The materials you would need would be a white paper plate, a brown piece of paper for the stem, a green piece of paper for the leaf, ripped up red tissue paper for the front of the plate, and glue. First, you take your white paper plate and you take your glue and you glue all over the front of the plate. Next, you'll take your red tissue paper and apply it all over the plate. Once you've done that, you can then take your green piece of paper and cut out a leaf. Then, you apply glue to the back. You glue it to the top of your apple. Lastly, you can take your brown piece of paper and cut out the stem. There is your apple paper plate craft.